welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today is not the best of days. Kind of a rainy, cruddy day, and you'll notice that I'm missing a car. Earl's broke again, so we'll get into that in another video. But it wasn't anything that it wasn't unexpected, but still kind of sucks that he's down, and I haven't had him for like 5 weeks. So trying to work on that car. It's been a struggle trying to get it ready. So I've been getting things together like tools for track days and stuff like that, trying to prepare myself as best I can, but still really need to get that car back. But today's video is not really about car stuff. It's about pressure washers. So I purchased back in probably about 5 months ago, I purchased this Giraffe wall-mounted pressure washer. The idea was that I didn't want to have all this stuff laying on the floor, blocking, just laying on the floor, because I had a regular gas-powered pressure washer that I used to wash the cars and stuff like that, which was great. But I wanted to have stuff a little more organized and cleaned up. So, not that that looks organized or cleaned up, but it's better than stuff laying on the floor. So I bought this. I did a lot of research. Bought this Giraffe Tools wall-mounted pressure washer, and it's kind of nice because it's got the hose reel where I can pull that thing out. I opted for the 100-foot hose. Really nice, just keeps things clean and wraps itself back up. So it's pretty slick. So I came out a couple weeks ago to wash the cars, and I've got water out in the garage and everything else. So I came out to wash cars. My other setup, I've also got a water deionizer, which is great for doing spotless car washes. Works great here in the Arkansas sun when it gets super hot. So I came out to wash the car, so turn on my water to my thing. He's plugged in, and we'll prime it. Okay, everything works great. Now I'm going to come over here and turn the switch on, and that's what turns on the pump. And I got nothing. Now this wasn't a cheap option. I mean, by any means. It wasn't super expensive, but it wasn't cheap. So a little disappointed that after 5 months this thing dies on me. So I reach out. I bought it through Amazon. So I was hoping there was a chance that I'd be able to salvage it. Didn't know what it was going to be. So I contacted customer service. They had me fill out some forms. I provided my order number and a quick video of what the problem was. Within 2 days, so they responded back to my email, and within 2 days, I was sent a completely brand new unit. So, I mean, it was incredible. I got a response the same day. I think I sent my email to them or filled out my claim on a Monday. I received a reply Monday afternoon. Gave them back the information on Tuesday. This thing was in the mail, and I received it on Friday, I think it was. So it was less than 7 days. Within a week, I got a replacement pressure washer. So I can't talk about how, first of all, cool products, kind of neat, just nice to keep things clean and keep things up off the floor, but then also to get this kind of customer service is unheard of in this day. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take this guy off, we'll open that up, see what's in the box. I think it's a whole new unit because it comes with, well, I'll show you what it comes with when I get the box open up. Let's unbox that guy. Yeah, so they sent me an entirely new unit. They said this was an upgraded one, but yeah, I got, this is the whole thing. So this is the compressor, or the pressure washer, the compressor, and the hose reel with the attachment hose, another gun. So yeah, so That's pretty awesome. So what we'll do, we'll get this thing hooked up. I'll get this one swapped out. Get this new one hooked up. We'll try it out and see how it works. Okay, so I had everything all set up. Looks like I got to tighten this up a little bit. I got a little bit of a leak there. But this is all set to go. Got the water, got the air drained out of this guy. And we're going to fire it up and see if it works. And the nice thing with this is that it automatically shuts off when you're not using it. It just shuts off and does its thing, and then I'll fire it back up. All right, well there we go. Like I said, just one of those things where you buy something, you spend a fair amount of money for it. It comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, and you wonder, are they going to stand behind it? Giraffe Tools absolutely stood behind it. A big shout out to Giraffe Tools. Love the product, and your customer service was over the top and extraordinary. So just want to do a quick video, show that. I know there's a lot of videos of stuff that doesn't work and bashing manufacturers. So I just wanted to do something that was positive for Giraffe Tools. So thank you, Giraffe Tools. I'm absolutely not sponsored, not a sponsored video, but just wanted to shout out to the excellent customer service. And if you're looking for a wall-mounted pressure washer, I would certainly check them out. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I should be getting Earl back in hopefully soon, because I've got testing to do, and we've still got some more work to do on that car. So hopefully I get that car back soon, and we'll get back to the action and get to the drag strip with it. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll talk to you again. Thanks, and have a great day.